Any names that come up to you saying, "Hey, this is somebody that I really think changed something." You used Nitin Paranjpe's name, which I think he's a phenomenal guy.
Yeah.
And obviously he's very, very senior, and
Yeah.
ones whom you work closely with, some names you
Yeah.
think. And I don't want you to say it if you are not comfortable, but somebody who you think you learned the art of negotiation, the art of asking questions, the art of brand building. Okay, so some names that come to you: the art of distribution.
I've been actually quite open about it. So the now CEO of Unilever, Priya Nair, is somebody that I've worked with directly. She was a category head when I was on RIN, and one of the first women leaders that I worked with, and she is a force to reckon with. And I think in a lot of ways, she has shaped my thinking on leadership, thinking on how to sort of present your POV in rooms where your POV matters the most. She's also shaped a large part of me being an extremely confident leader in rooms, because when you see her leadership style, and I had the chance to work with her for 3.5 full years very, very closely, and I have all love and respect for her. She comes down to your personal level and puts in the effort to understand and shape you. One of the first one who told me that a lot of people, Mika, will tell you that here are your areas of weakness, fix them. And she told me that here are your areas of strength, become so good at it that nobody else can tell you that here are weaknesses that you need to manage. Your weaknesses, they should not come in your way, but become so strong at what you do that you are the person that people call on to when that happens, and that becomes your differentiator. And I think that's shaped everything that I've done from there on, really. And which is why the growth architect, which is why the non traditional CMO. I think some of those things which she said, as somebody who worked with you, I don't think even she realizes the impact of those words on me. I was a very young brand manager that time, one of the only girls in the team, and she treated me with so much love and affection. And I think it's really shaped the person that I am, and I only have a lot of love and respect for her. And she's also one of the names that I've spoken about in the book, and one of the ways that I've expressed my gratitude to her in terms of shaping who I am.
Fantastic.